Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today we're going in South. Again, we're going in Greece and we're going to make a Tzatziki sauce. Easy, fresh, now come the summer and we need to marinate meat, to eat with meat, to dress salad and on the barbecue is very easy and super nice and easy to make. We need the main ingredient is the white yogurt. If you find the Greek one, it's a little bit thicker. That is good. We need some fresh mint, cucumber, lemon, garlic, salt, pepper and olive oil. Now, what we can do? We take a bowl. The first thing, I put some yogurt inside. Okay, this is very nice. Now, cucumber. Someone use this with skin, I use without, okay? I don't know why, but I prefer like that. And now, we need this to grate from like this, okay? Or if you like, if you don't want to find the big like that, you can make smaller, but I prefer from this side, okay? And this is almost 300 grams, the yogurt. Even this is a lot. We don't use all, just to show you the way, okay? Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. Now, we start mix this. Yeah, I think it's enough. But my partner like more, we put, because this is the refreshing. I have one Greek friend, he called Yanis. I hope you're not gonna tell me off, but I try to do the best I could. Now we need some garlic, guys. If you like garlic, guys, even two. Already the smell is nice. And we mix again this garlic. Guys, almost is done. Now we need a little touch of salt, a little touch of black pepper, a little touch of olive oil, and we mix again. This is Mediterranean stuff. When you do the barbecue, if you use this sauce, it's absolutely delicious. We start try. It's not finished, it's already good. Now, a couple drops of lemon juice for the acidity. Not much, check, because if you want more, you can have more. And the last touch, guys, is the fresh mint. You just use this. Oh, I like this smell. This is up to you how much you like, you know, I like it. And a little touch there. Mix again. I think a little bit more. You see? Now it's time again to try. Very nice. I think a little bit more salt and black pepper. And job is done. How long take? 3 minutes, 4 minutes is absolutely fantastic. Guys, try these as well. If you want to marinate some chicken or lamb, if you do this, make so nice flavor. Or you want to dress some salad, or just sit on the barbecue when you have some steak, stuff like that on side. It's absolutely delicious, guys. I'm very happy. Well done, Piero. This is absolutely delicious. Guys, Tzatziki sauce is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!